our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. High wind warning in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, northern, northwest, southern, southwest, and western Oklahoma and northern Texas. When? Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. From the